Good morning, dear students. Let's start the story I Want Something in a Cage where we left in the previous video. Listen, the staring eyes came closer. How long do you think it took me to make the $5? Now the visitor wanted to tell him that how much time he had taken to earn those $5. Though the merchant was not at all interested to know any details. The merchant wanted to order him out of the shop, but oddly enough he couldn't. Now the merchant considered himself as an intoxicated person or somewhere a mad person. He wanted to ask him to get out from his shop, but he could not say so out of some courtesy. So he heard himself dutifully asking, why, how long did it take you? So now he wanted to behave accordingly so that he should leave. He said, okay, tell me how long you have taken time to earn this. The other laughed, 10 years at hard labor. The visitor said, I used 10 years to earn this $50, and that is also the hardcore labor of 10 years. 10 years to earn $5, 50 cents a year. He said, I was given 50 cents a year. It was best, Purcell decided, to humor him. My, 10 years, that's certainly a long time now. He said, 10 years? Really? For 10 years you earned merely $5? It's really a very long time. They give you $5, laughed the man, and a cheap suit, and tell you not to get caught again. Now, he said that he got those $5 in 10 years in the prison. So he said it means he gave you $5 and a cheap, meaning not very expensive suit, and the jailers told you not to be caught again. Mr. Purcell mopped his sweating brow. See, earlier it was mentioned that it was a very cold day, but when Mr. Purcell got to know that he was a prisoner once, so by thinking so, sweating came on his face. Now, about the care and feeling of your doves, I would advise. He said that I just want to give you some suggestions. How are the things you have to give to feed your doves? Bah! The man swung around and stalked abruptly from the store. Purcell sighed with sudden relief. Now he went from the shop, and as this Mr. Purcell felt very happy, a relief that he had gone. He waded to the window and stared out. And he came close to the window and he had started looking outside the window. Just outside his particular customer had halted. Halted meaning stopped. Just outside his shop, the strange visitor or the customer who had purchased two doves out of $5, he waited, he halted, he stopped. He was holding the cage shoulder high, staring at his purchase. He kept his cage at the height of his shoulders, and he was looking towards the doves, towards his purchase, the doves. Then opening the cage, he reached inside drew out one of the doves. He opened the cage and he looked outside the cage. The doves were there. He tossed it into the air. He took one dove and he tossed it into air. He drew out the second and tossed it after the first. He did the same for the second dove also. They rose like wind-blown balls of fluff and were lost in the smoky grey of the wintry city. Both the doves disappeared in the wintry cold atmosphere of the city. For an instant, the liberator's silent and lifted gaze watched after them. One who liberated them the visitor, he looked towards the doves, and then he watched, because he himself was the prisoner for 10 years. He knew the importance of liberty. That is why he purchased 2 birds and he liberated them. Then he dropped the cage. After liberating the birds, he dropped his cage. He showed both hands deep in his trouser pockets. After making the doves free, he kept his pockets in his trouser, hunched down his head and shuffled away. He looked towards a sky and then he went on. The merchant's brow was puckered with perplexity. Perplexity meaning confusion. Now the shopkeeper got confused. He couldn't understand what was happening there. So desperately had the man desired the doves that he had let him have them at a reduced price. He got shocked that the person wanted to purchase those doves in reduced price just to making them liberated. So this way the merchant got really confused, and immediately he had turned them loose. Now why? The moment he purchased, the next moment he loosed them. And now why? Mr. Purcell muttered. Did he do that? He felt vaguely insulted. Now Mr. Purcell found that it was his insult. He got insulted in this way because it was not expected. He was not expecting the moment he will purchase the doves, and next moment he was going to free them. So this way the story ended. The story tells us the importance of liberty in life, the importance of freedom in life. Being himself imprisoned for continuously long 10 years, he could realize the importance of liberty, and as a result of that, he had liberated the 2 birds. I want something in a cage means he wanted to free them. Thank you.